Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Adler, Project Business Lead at Hikvision Canada, and it's truly an honor to be here to share our new strategy for the small and medium business market in Canada. Today, I'll walk through our tailored SMB solutions, and then our local software technical specialist, Aaron Muysson, will give you a hands-on demo of our software, HikCentral Lite. This is our core on-premise platform for managing Hikvision hardware designed specifically for SMB market. Okay, let's start with why we are focusing on the SMB market in Canada. Based on over a decade of operating and business here, we've seen that SMB market make up to 80% of the professional security market here. Especially for projects with up to 120 channels like retail shops, restaurants, commercial complexes, and residential buildings. But the market's getting tougher. Price wars among CTV manufacturers are increasing, and the customers are looking for the best path forward. Plus, with the new technologies and diverse products entering the field, managing projects from product selection to deployment is becoming more complex. So as the industry leader, we are committed to working closely with you, our valued partners, to create opportunities and grow together in Canada. So that's why we are going to launch this SMB solution as strategy. So how are we going to deal with this? Our strategy is built around the 3 points. First, we offer rich scenario-specific product packages that are affordable for most small and medium business owners. Second, we provide our software tools to simplify your work from selecting products to deploying and maintaining system. And third, we are boosting our support resources, including our call center and the detailed installation and maintenance guidance through our different of our tools. What makes our SMB solution stand out? It's a one-stop experience. We are not just talking CCTV cameras, but we got different products like a display, access control, intrusion alarms, audio broadcast, and more, all managed through our software platforms like HikCentral Lite and HikConnect. These tools streamline product selection, deployment, and the unified management of system. So now let's zoom in on our target industries. After analyzing our business and customer projects, we'll pick the 3 key sectors: commercial offices, retail stores, and residential properties. To support you, our Hik-Partner Pro mobile app is your go-to resources for solution material, product recommendations, and system deployment. Let me give you an example of one of our SMB solution. Picture an integrated package with our latest technology like Color View 3.0 cameras. We also provide a commercial display, access control, intrusion alarms, audio systems, and even install BI tools for our customers. So all of these can be managed seamlessly through different software like HikCentral Lite for on-premise setups or HikConnect for cloud-based management. So now, how can you access these solutions? We are going to launch our dedicated SMB section on our Canadian website, complete with brochures and banners for your marketing needs, and even better, our mobile app, Hik-Partner Pro, lets you register, export product details, build conditions, and deploy systems for your end users as well. Our goal is to streamline your project value chain from Hik-Partner Pro for product selection and configuration using our embedded SCDP tool to video management. Choose between HikCentral Lite, which Aaron will demo shortly. And after installation, you can hand over the system access to your end users so they can monitor everything from the same app. Let's talk software for a moment. I know it can seem overwhelming with so many options, but it's actually simple with Hikvision. For SMB, managing multiple sites with small device accounts, high connected is perfect. And for on-premise needs, like a condo with 100 CTV channels and intercoms, HikCentral Lite is your go-to. For larger systems, over 128 channels or specialized application like parking management or healthcare, our HikCentral professional steps in for enterprise needs. That's why this year we launched our HikCentral Lite software as a game changer for SMBs. It's lightweight, less than 500 MB, so you can install easily on your laptop. It offers a single user-friendly interface to manage CTV, access control, and even basic analysis like license plate or people counting. You only pay the license you need with no base fee, and we even offer a free 16-channel version on our website. Speaking of ease of use, HikCentral Lite's drag and drop interface lets you view all your channels in one window effortlessly. So Aaron will show you how it works in the demo. Another key feature is openness. We know that a lot of legacy systems upgraded to our latest one. There are many old cameras installed. So that's why we support the legacy system integration through OnVIF or native SDKs integration from Dahua, Hanhua, and Axis for maximum compatibility. For those of you using our free IBM's 4200 tool, we know high resolution devices can slow the software down. User experience decreases when we connect too many cameras into one platform. And HikCentral Lite offers a smooth migration path for that purpose. Plus, it opens upselling opportunity, especially you as Hikvision customers have a lot of deep connections with many various end users. Start with the HikCentral Lite for basic SMB needs, then you can upgrade to HikCentral Professional for advanced features like parking or visitor management, helping you grow your business with the same end users in future. Here is another big win. HikCentral Lite now supports direct video storage on your PC, not just on NVRs. Make it a true competitor in the VMS market. Our flexible storage licensing means you only pay for what you need. For example, a small business owner want to upgrade their legacy system using our HikCentral Lite, and they have already 64-channel NVR in place, and now he want to add 5 more cameras. In this case, they don't need to buy another 16-channel NVR, for example. Instead, they can only pay 5-channel more storage license to put this 5 cameras video footage onto their HikCentral Lite PC to save maximum budget cost. We are currently promoting HikCentral Lite, and I encourage all of you to download it and try it on your next project. You will see the difference. And of course, our local sales, pre-sales engineer, and solution teams are here to support you. We also love your feedback too. If you want to see it in action, join our Canada-wide roadshow, which starts next week through July. Pick a location near you to explore our latest products and SMB solutions hands-on. We are showcasing HikCentral Lite, HikConnect, and other latest stuff. Before I hand over to Aaron, for demo showcasing. Don't forget to download our Hik-Partner Pro app. You can earn rewards, access our tech zone for technical training and tips, and streamline your daily work. Let's work together to unlock the potential of Canada's small and medium business market. And thank you. And now I will hand it over to Aaron for the HikCentral Lite demo.
Hello, everyone. This is Aaron speaking, software support for HikCentral Lite. So I'm going to be showing a demo of the installation and configuration of HikCentral Lite. Here we go. So the first thing I will be showing will be the installation process. As you can see on my desktop, I have the HikCentral Lite installation package, a PDF with the license, and the IBMS configuration data, so you can easily transfer your IBMS to HikCentral Lite. So as you can see, you'll just do server and client and click through the prompts. So in the interest of time, I will be skipping ahead. This may take a few minutes just to do the installation. I'm currently running HikCentral Lite on my laptop, so it is not a very intensive software, okay? So as you can see here, it has detected IBMS 4200 on my system and will ask if I want to transfer over the configuration file. You'll see that I will get two softwares on my desktop, HikCentral Lite Desktop Client and HikCentral Lite Service Manager. So in a moment, we'll see the password creation menu. Create a secure password here. And then create a security question or have a backup email. Okay. Now I will activate the license. I'll open up the PDF with the license code in it. Go to license management. And as you can see, we have 16 free cameras and 2 free doors. Agree to the terms and service. And activate. Now you will see all the modules that you purchased. Next, I'll be performing the data migration from the IBMS configuration file. In this example, I will be migrating an MVR with the cameras attached to it. It will validate the information. And as you can see, the MVR has been added to my HikCentral Lite. Next, I'll be adding a device. This will be an MVR in our showroom. Simply add the MVR, put in your username and password. And as you can see the camera channels here and any issues with them. So as you can see, we can see our cameras here. We can also see the recording and playback. For the bird's eye view, we see the motion on the events. And for the first one, we just see continuous recording. And then I'll minimize this, open up the new MVR, and you can see the cameras that I just added. And then next, I'll be showing you how to add a access control device. So I'm simply going to go to auto detect and look up the K2700. Same steps as before, username and password. And you can see all the doors that have been added. I will go over to the view here, and as you can see, we have our doors, and I can unlock them easily. Next, I'll be adding an event. To access this, you can do it through several ways, but I'll be doing it through the shortcut window. I'll add event and alarm configuration. You can see the event subscription and all the different events you can do. For this example, I'll be doing a simple motion detection. First, add now. Select the kind of event and the camera. Set the schedule, who receives the alarms, and what kind of linkage event you would like when that camera detects motion. Okay, so that's quite simple. And next, I'll be showing how to do video storage for HikCentral Lite. So I'll go to the system configuration here, and you can see the available space. Unfortunately, I don't have that much space on my laptop, but you can see that we can change it. It's just saved on my C drive here. And we can also change the storage for video or pictures, depending on what you want to save. So I will save that there. And next, for this example, I will be adding an auxiliary storage for the camera. So one on the MVR and one on the computer for redundant storage. So I'll find the camera. And I'll go to recording schedule. And you can see that we have a normal recording schedule here, and we'll do a backup video as well. And we have it saved to system storage. And then we'll click save. This will validate that the camera is working. And then lastly, I'll show what an event will look like when motion detection goes off. So you can see me leaving my office right now. And the alarm will pop up there, and the screen will be highlighted in red. So So let's open this up here. And that's everything. If you want, we have a live demo in the Toronto showroom, so feel free to join us there for a more advanced experience. Do we have any questions about the HikCentral Lite software today? If you do have questions, make sure to put it in the chat here. Will this presentation be available? Yes. Yes, you can discover all the devices on the LAN so long as you're on the correct subnet and the VLANs are configured properly. Can we discover on the WAN? You could achieve this through port forwarding, a VPN tunnel, and these are the two options right now. If the end user wants to view their cameras off-site, they would use HikConnect to view these cameras. Any other questions for today? When is the demo in Toronto? That would be arranged through the regional sales manager. You can arrange a time and meet us in person and you can test the system out. You can also send us an email as well and we can arrange that for you. I would like to extend a massive thank you for everyone for showing up today. And if you have any other questions about HikCentral Lite, feel free to email us or contact us. Thank you for joining.